Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Medico Halls. I am Syam Narayan Yadav. So today we are going to discuss about the conducting system of heart. So we'll see that this is the diagram of conducting system. So what is the meaning of conducting system? Conducting system means the conduction of electrical current or heat. Similarly, our heart, as it is made up of specialized muscle, then known as cardiac myocyte, heart muscle. It requires electrical current to produce a heartbeat. For the contraction of heart, it requires electrical current, and it is not controlled by the nerve. It is mainly controlled by the conducting system of our heart. So we will see that what are the different part of conducting system. So each and every heart muscle require electrical current, either atrium or ventricle. Every cardiac myocyte require electrical current that is mainly supplied by conducting system of our heart. So it maintain our heartbeat, or you can say the contraction of heart. So when heart is contracted, blood comes out, ejected out. That is mainly maintained by our conducting system of our heart. So we will see that there are four parts are there. SA node is there, AV node we have, bundle of is Purkinje fiber. So four parts are there. We are going to discuss one by one. First one is called SA node, known as sinoatrial node. Sinoatrial node is also known as pacemaker of heart. What is called the pacemaker? Pacemaker means it maintains the rhythm of our heart. So whenever mainly during physical exercise, if you see that our heart rates are increased while climbing the stairs, while running, or during stress, our heartbeats are increased. But when you are taking rest, while sitting, while sleeping, our heart rates are normal or just below the normal. Okay, so this is mainly, so that is called the rhythm. So such type of requirement is maintained by SA node. So it is called the pacemaker of our heart. So it produces electrical impulse in 1 minute. Okay, in every minute we can say that 70 to 80 impulse, mainly electrical impulse are produced per minute. 70 to 80 impulse produced per minute. So in 1 minute our SA node is producing 70 to 80 impulse. Some impulse are mainly taken by, okay, most of the impulse, some impulse are mainly taken by our atrium, because atrium also require electrical current for contraction of atrium. So when atriums are contracted, bloods are ejected from atrium, pass to the ventricle. So both right atriums. Okay, so if you see that the location, our SA node is called sinoatrial, because sino means small mass. So it consists of small mass of specialized tissue, very small mass, just like a pea-shaped size. Okay, pea-shaped size. Okay, which is at the top of atrium, at the right atrium, at the junction of superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. So that is called the SA node. This SA node fire electrical impulse in 1 minute 70 to 80. Some electrical impulse are mainly taken by our this is called atrium. So we can say that it does not require any such type of specialized tissue. So it is a present here, so it can able to supply. So so both atriums can able to contract. After that we have the next one is called the AV node. So SA node is called the pacemaker of our heart. When our pacemaker is not working, then heartbeats become irregular. Patients suffer from arrhythmia. Okay, so even it makes us cardiac arrest also. So SA node is one of the most important part, specialized tissue, produce electrical impulse. It is called the pacemaker of our heart. Okay, found at the top of our right atrium. So the main function is that it produces electrical impulse. This impulse supply to the different part of our heart and maintain heartbeat. Next one is called, we have the second part, that is called AV node. AV, just to see the meaning, is called AV node is called atrioventricular node. Okay, it is called it is called the atrioventricular. It is called atrioventricular node. Atrioventricular node. So what is the meaning of atrioventricular node? So atrioventricular node means it is found between atrium and ventricle. Okay, just you see junction. This is called atrium, this is called ventricle. It is mainly found in the between the atrium and ventricle. So name is called atrioventricular node. Okay, this atrioventricular node is also a specialized muscle which also produces electrical impulse, but it is only producing around 40 to 60 impulse per minute. So very means small amount of impulse are mainly producing per minute. So you can see that 40 to 60 impulse are only produced by AV node. Now, but AV node also receive SA node, impulse from SA node. So SA node produce impulse. Some impulse are taken by right atrium, some impulse are taken by left atrium. The remaining impulse are mainly passed to the atrioventricular node with the help of intranodal pathway. This is called the intranodal pathway. These are called the intranodal pathway. Intranodal pathway, with the help of intranodal pathway, which is mainly passing to our AV node. So AV node, okay, receive electrical impulse from our SA node with the help of intranodal pathway. So now our AV nodes are connected with a bundle of these. So what is called the bundle of these? So third one is called bundle of these. The meaning of bundle of these, these are the specialized fiber, muscular fiber, bundle of these. Okay, just behave like wire, just like a wire supply electrical current to whole building. Similarly, our bundle of these also works as similar type activity. So mainly it is connected to the AV node. From the AV node, you can see the electrical currents are mainly passing to the lower portion of our heart. The upper part atrium that receive from SA node directly, because our SA node is present at the top of atrium. So it can easily spread all those electrical current, all those electrical impulse. But the lower part it cannot able to supply. For this reason, we have a separate AV node, that is called atrioventricular node, which is found in the junction. It is connected with just this is called the bundle of his. This bundle of his is specialized muscle fiber which mainly receive the electrical impulse supplied to the lower portion of our heart. Again, it is a two type. You can see it is called the right bundle of his and left bundle of his. So right bundle of his is supplying electrical impulse to the right part of lower ventricle. The left bundle of his supplying to the lower left part of our ventricle. Again, this bundle of his looks divided into like a fiber, like a horse tail, that is called Purkinje fiber. So what is the role of Purkinje fiber? Purkinje fiber is mainly supplying electrical impulse each and every cardiac myocyte of our ventricle. So every cardiac myocyte of our ventricle can receive the impulse and can able to contract. So when it contracts, bloods are ejected out. So bundle of his is mainly connected to our AV node. It is connected to AV node. So it is connected to the AV node. So from AV node, so mainly it carry electrical impulse. It is carry impulse to lower part of our ventricle, Okay, again it is divided into two. So as we discussed that bundle of his receive electrical impulse from AV node supplied to the lower part of our ventricle. Further divided into Purkinje fiber. Purkinje fiber is supplying electrical impulse to the lower portion of our ventricle. So these are the points we discussed. So what is the main aim of conducting system? The main the function is that it can able to provide electrical current each and every cardiac myocyte. So every cardiac myocyte can able to get electrical current and can able to contract. So due to the contraction, blood pumps out. Okay, so after that, once it stop the sending impulse, then it start relaxing. So means these currents are mainly producing 17 in 1 minute. It produces 70 to 80 impulse. That is SA node. But our AV node is also producing. So whenever suddenly, when suppose due to any reason, when SA node stop the sending impulse, then what will happen? Then our AV node can able to control. But AV node is producing very lesser electrical impulse. For this reason, it produce only. You can say that we discussed 40 to 60. So it maintain the heart rate, but heart rate become very low. So so such type of a patient require mainly artificial pacemaker, where this SA nodes fails to produce electrical impulse. Okay, so this is called the, so when there is any disorder in the conducting system cannot able to conduct electrical impulse, SA node, AV node or bundle of things, then it is called the cardiac arrest. So what is called cardiac arrest? Cardiac arrest is a conducting disorder. What is the heart attack? Myocardial infarction. We discussed in last video, we discussed that the types of circulation. In that we discussed coronary circulation. In coronary circulation, we discussed that when the coronary arteries are blocked, then it cannot able to supply to the heart muscle. So heart muscle cannot able to receive oxygen and nutrients, and patient suffer from, you can say, the heart attack. Okay, heart muscle become dead. So conducting disorder means like cardiac arrest, heart blockage. These are the disorder of conducting system. So I hope everyone like this video. Okay, so it's a very simple. We discuss conducting system of heart. Please like and subscribe my channel Medicals. Thank you to everyone.